Hello friends, welcome to our channel StudyDesk4U. Hi guys, in this video we're going to see introduction towards the Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is a free open source tool for automating the web applications. And why Selenium? Selenium supports different languages such as Java, Perl, PHP, Python, C Sharp and Ruby. You can able to write the test scripts using all those languages, not only any one language. And Selenium supports the different browsers such as Chrome, Chromium, Safari, Firefox, Edge, and Opera to run our test scripts. Whatever test scripts you have developed using above languages like Java, Perl, PHP, Python, you can able to run in all those browsers. And also Selenium, we can able to install in the different operating systems and we can execute our test scripts like in Mac, Windows and Linux, Unix. Also you can able to install this Selenium and then you can able to write the test scripts and you can execute in all those browsers. And Selenium contains ready-made methods which user performs the manual testing such as scrolling, sending the text, clicking, and we can able to get the height and width of the browser and height and width of the but web elements also we can able to get, so that most of the companies are widely using this Selenium as it is a open source and it supports different languages, not only one language, and company can able to choose whatever language they require based upon their employees and they can able to make this test automation scripts, and has a major browsers it supports, so that companies are using the widely this Selenium tool for automating their web applications. Okay. For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.